What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I'm going to give you guys here a market analysis here for Bitcoin and the crypto markets overall, and hopefully I don't mess up in this video because I'm not looking to edit this video, so this is just going to be a free-flowing video here, so hopefully I don't mess up. But I just want to thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, and being a part of my channel for this long. So thank you guys so much for all the support. And also, if you guys want to join the Patreon for as low as $5 a month, you guys can join the Discord, and you guys could have access to ask me any questions and join a really nice Christian community that is, interested in crypto and investing overall. And the other tiers are if you guys want to access my official indicators that I created here on TradingView, okay, like the Sniper Scalper and a couple other ones. But let's get on with the video here. I'm going to show you guys my opinions on Bitcoin at the moment, and you guys want to watch till the end because it is really interesting right now what's happening and how similar Bitcoin is acting to the previous cycle, which I'm about to show you right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how, and look, I said this in the beginning of the year. I said Bitcoin is looking very similar to right here. Okay, the beginning of the end of 2019 towards the beginning of 2020, right? So I'm going to show you guys right here what I think is happening here with Bitcoin. And if this does follow, guys, if this does follow from where Bitcoin reached the top recently, right? If this does follow where Bitcoin reached right over here, which was 31,000, if this continues in that pattern, we can go 50% down, around 50% down from 31,000, which would be okay, right over here. Where would we be at? 50% would bring us towards, wow, exactly 15,000, exactly 15,300, around there. So that's if we follow this. I'm gonna show you guys why I think this is a big possibility for us going back to 15,000, and then that being, the final bottom before the next bull run. And when I mean going back down there, guys, I don't mean staying down there for like a week or something. I mean like steadily falling down, and then boom, just, it could be a couple hours, it could be one day, it could be, what I'm saying, it doesn't have to be a whole month or week. It could be like 1 hour, right? We go down to 15,000, and then boom, we're back to like 17K or something, right? It's something very volatile. The reason why, guys, is because, like I said, this right here, this 2019, right? End of 2019, you guys can see we come up here to 13,800 and something, right? And then look, we come up here to 13,000, right? And look how similar this structure is to today, right? Look at this, and then look at this, which is today, right? Look at this, right? You see this structure? You see how similar this is? So what I'm saying is, okay, we started changing structure here from the previous bear market. Look, bear market, we're just down, and boom, we start getting a change of structure, just like we have right here, right? Where this is the bear market, we start getting a nice change of structure, right? But then after that change of structure, what happens is that we start to fall off, but not fall off all at once, right? It's not just straight down. It's, up and down, up and down. But the thing is that while we're up and down, we are in a long-term downtrend, okay? And from up here where we reached 13,700 and something, right? If we measure this, okay, from that top towards right here, okay, which, look, I'm not gonna count this because this was like an outliner. This was like the C19, so I'm not gonna count this because this is like an outliner, right? Is like unexpected. So I'm just gonna count this. I'm just gonna count this from the top, and then selling off all the way till right here. That's around 52%. Just this is 52%. The sell off, right? Slowly falling down. 52%. And what I'm saying is, if we do follow this, right? If we do follow this, like I said, and for example, the top, just like that 13,000 was the top then, the 31,000 is the top now, right? Then basically, when we measure it, you will see that around, I'm not even going to count 52%, I'm going to count just 50%. 50% will bring us back down here to 15K 300, right? 15,300, right? And look, let's say this isn't the top, and then we do maybe come back up and we make like a higher high here around 32, right? Or even a 33K, right? Let's say 33K, which a lot of people talk about. So let's say we do go to 33K and then we start to sell off. Well, then 50% from that would be around, let's see right here, 16,400, right? So there you guys go. You know, this is my prediction. This is what I think is going to happen. Even if the top isn't 31K, I think that we might reach a top here where it's around 30 something, right? 32, 33K, maybe even 36K, and then we start to sell off, to then eventually having a nice push back up here for the next bull market. But the reason why I'm saying this is because right now, if you just analyze, it's just very similar to the, you know, this structure right here, right? And also part of my prediction, if you go back, you know, in the beginning of the year, I said that, you know, I think that we are following this, which it looks like we have been following it. But I said that there's probably going to be a black swan event, which is unpredictable, right? It's a black swan event where it basically simulates the same thing that happened here, which was the outline near the C19 thing, right? Where we have a huge, right, capitulation in just a matter of days. And if that were to happen, right, I mean, we can go as low as, if something like this were to happen, you could go as low as 10,000, 8,000 Bitcoin. Okay? But like I said, you know, you can't predict the black swan event. It's unexpected, right? Anything can happen. You know, I mainly said it because the world today, how it is, and also the structure of Bitcoin, I wouldn't be surprised if it happened. Another thing here, guys, I want to share with you guys is the weekly the weekly MAs. These are very important. Okay, I'm telling you, I talked about this so many times, but you can see that we are holding that 200 weekly MA. Look at this. Look how accurately that we are holding this 200 weekly MA. So once we lose this 200 weekly, which at the moment is 26,800, but look how much support we have on that 200 weekly. Once we lose this, then that's going to be a big red flag, right? And then on top of that, on top of losing that, right? Sorry for saying right so many times. I gotta get used to not saying it. But this also put down this this uptrend here, connecting 19,000 and right here 16,000, because this is definitely could be an area of support. But if we do break this, which at the moment, if you come down to it today, like today, it'll be around 24,000, 24,300. But eventually, I feel like we're going to break it around 25,000. Once we break that, then that's going to be another red flag that we're going to come down even more. Okay? It's just going to be like another check mark that tells you that we're going to start selling off even more. And, you know, to be honest, I think I definitely, like I said, we are in accumulation here. It's just very boring. We're just gonna be very flat, you know, and that's what's been happening the last 2 months, right? We just been in this range here from 30,000 to like 26,000, and it's gonna be very boring, and it's gonna be either accumulation, like just accumulating phase, or like selling off slowly. But me, what I'm personally doing is I'm accumulating all my favorite coins, all the coins that I believe in. Right, I'm being up to date with them, like I always say I have, and I'm trying. My main goal is trying to be done accumulating by the fall, right in the beginning of the fall, in the beginning of towards the end of September and October. I'm gonna try to have everything accumulated that I've wanted to get, right? So I have my goals. You guys might have your own goals, right, depending on your situation. But I'm just saying, you know, don't go all in. Because we can have, like you guys just saw, we can sell off slowly, right? It's not going to be a one-day sell-off, 50% down. No, this could be over weeks. This could be the entire summer where we slowly sell off another 40-50%, which the end of that might be in September, which I personally think is going to be towards the end of September or October, sometime there. And then we start to pick back up, right? So the main thing here, guys, is to accumulate, but be patient. Don't be throwing your whole paycheck in every single time you get it into a coin, right? Accumulate but slowly, and basically every time we have a big push down, so let's say we go to 25k, then I'll buy some. Let's say we go down to 20k, then I'll buy some more, right? That's what I'm personally doing. That's my mindset, and I want to do it before October. Okay, so I'm gonna be up to date with you guys. I'm definitely gonna start streaming again. I just want to thank you, all of you guys have been here in my channel showing support. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for all the support. But I'm definitely gonna start streaming and making more videos regularly again. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll definitely see you guys soon again. If you guys want to chat with me or ask me questions and all that, join the Discord for as low as $5 a month on the Patreon. And if you guys want to check out my indicators, I have 3 official indicators that I use all the time. You guys can see right here: Sniper Scalper, Smart Scalper, and I think the other ones here are like oscillators, which are these, I use them all the time. I should probably start using them in my market analysis video as well. If you guys want to get access to them, you guys can join the Patreon as well in the tiers. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless all you guys. And I just want to thank you guys for everything. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.